Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to adjust your margins in Google Docs. So your margins are the space at the side of the document. So you've got a few different ways you can adjust that space. So the first one is clicking on the top left-hand corner on the File tab, scrolling to the bottom and clicking on Page Setup. At the bottom, you'll see a section that says margins. So these are already set at 1 inch. So left, right, top and bottom. But if you want to adjust them, you can go ahead and write the new margin that you want. So I might put in 0.5 inches, half an inch, and I can click on OK for that to take effect. If I want to set it as default, I can also set that as default. Then I won't have to come back when I'm editing every document. It will be set as default. When you're happy, click on OK. So the other way to adjust your margins is on the document itself. So if you look at the top, you've got like this ruler section. So you can hover just next to the ruler, and again, you can adjust your margins by dragging it left or right. You can do that on both sides. So it's as easy as that. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.